Assembly Automation and Product Design, 2nd edition. Subjects: Technology, Computers, Mechanics, Manufacturing, Automation Genres Book, Mathematics, Science. In praise of hard industries, why manufacturing, not the information economy, is the key to future prosperity. First published 1999. Subjects: Finance, Post-Industrial Society, Manufacturing Genres Book, Nonfiction. Marc Newson. Subjects: Technology, Art, Manufacturing, Graphic Arts, Australia. Indian Basketry. Subjects: Technology, Hobbies, Manufacturing, North America, Lumber. Mill. Subjects: Technology, Rhode Island, Manufacturing, Textile Industry, History. Textiles. Subjects: Technology, Manufacturing, Textile Industry, Fashion Design Reference. Fabric Glossary. Subjects: Art, Manufacturing, Textile Industry, Fashion Design Reference. Concealed Handgun Manual. Subjects: Sports Manufacturing, Self-Help, Metalworking, Reference. The Trail of Time Equals. Subjects: Technology, World, East Asia, Manufacturing, Far East. Objects of Desire. First published 1986. Subjects: Technology, Manufacturing, Visual Arts History, Great Britain. 100 Designs/100 Years. Subjects: Technology, Art, Social History, Production Management, Manufacturing. Before the Computer. Subjects: Economic History, Manufacturing. Cigar connoisseur. Subjects: Tobacco, Technology, Cigars, Manufacturing, Tobacco Industry. Manufacturing Systems. Subjects: Production Management, Manufacturing. Forecasting Software Manual. Subjects: Production Management, Manufacturing. Expert Systems in Manufacturing. Subjects: Production Management, Manufacturing. Multiobjective Scheduling by Genetic Algorithms. Subjects: Production Management, Manufacturing. Sidelocks and boxlocks. Subjects: Technology, Manufacturing, Metalworking, Great Britain. The Machine Age in America, 1918-1941. Subjects: Technology, Manufacturing, United States of America, History. Batch Control Systems. Subjects: Production Management, Manufacturing. The Unofficial Lego Builder's Guide. Subjects: Technology, Robotics, Manufacturing. Manufacturing Technology. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. World-class manufacturing, the next decade. First published, 1996. 4 subjects, manufacturing genres book, non-fiction. Cartridges of the world. Subjects: technology, sports, manufacturing, metalworking, metallurgy. The Hayduke silencer book. Subjects: technology, manufacturing, metalworking. Scheduling. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Switchblade. Subjects: technology, sports, recreation, manufacturing, metalworking. Gemstones. Subjects: manufacturing, metalworking. AI theory and applications in process control and management. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Developing expert systems for manufacturing. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Pines, hemlocks, and Adirondack history. Subjects: social science, economic history. Tanning, manufacturing, 19th century. Silent but deadly. Subjects: technology, manufacturing, metalworking. Millrat. Subjects: manufacturing genres book, poetry. Manufacturing information and data systems. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Rapid prototyping and engineering applications. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Experts in organizations. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Expert systems in process control. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Expert process planning for manufacturing. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Object-oriented late-stance modeling. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Flexible manufacturing systems. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Forbidden Lego. Subjects: technology, manufacturing. Virtual automation environments. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Basic butchering of livestock and game. Subjects: animal product manufacturing. Better products faster. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Design by composition for rapid prototyping. Subjects: production management, manufacturing. Principles of computer integrated manufacturing. Subjects: production management, manufacturing.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.